Hello, so I'll be showing you a video of my API documentation and functionality. According to the rubric here, all API gets by ID, post, put, and delete all working in this. Documented in the swagger.json file and testable by this /API docs. And all of this. So let me show you. So this is my swagger.json file, as you can see here, right here. Swagger. Okay, I call this swagger attributes. Let me change that quickly. Swagger.json. Oh, just forget about this. I'll just leave it so. Swagger attribute.json file, as you can see. So this is the attribute of my contact API, my local host, right? This is the API for my local host. This is the API for my production server, which is my render website. And these are my routes, as you can see. Moving on, we're going to look at our rubric 2 deployment. So I'm going to deploy my website on render right here. Manual deployment, clear cake and clear cache and build. Oh, sorry, it seems my internet is not connected. So I'll connect to my internet quickly. Okay. So I'm going to refresh this page before I begin my deployment. So we're going to deploy right now. So I'll click on clear, build, click and deploy. So as you can see, our website is deploying. So I'm going to pause the video and let this build up. Or we'll just leave it like so. Just wait for this to build successful. So we're going to wait for it to be deployed. Wow, congratulations, our website is deployed. So I'm going to click on this link to try this out. Sorry, let me refresh this. Oh, let me check my internet if it's connected. It's connected. Oh, so our page is live, our website is live. So let's test this quickly. API docs. Good. So first of all, we're going to test our get request. Let's get a list of all of our contacts. So click here, try it out, execute. As you can see, this is a list of all of our contacts, every data in our MongoDB, all fetched right here. And then we're going to test our post requests. So let's create a new contact. Try it out. Okay, so I'll set this to Mary, and I'll call our last name John, and I'll call this John Mary at gmail.com. Favorite color red. Sorry. Let's say 2000. August. So we'll leave it like so, and let's click execute and see if this works. Voila, as you can see, success, true. A new contact has been created right here. First name Mary John. Yeah. And next we're going to test our our put requests to update a contact. It's a contact. This is our put request. So let's try it out. So let's say we want to change this new contact which was added now. Let me refresh this and get a list of all of our contacts, and you'll see that the contact which was added has been updated to our contact list. As you can see here, Mary John. Good. So we're going to edit. We're going to change our last name to be Peter, and we'll get our ID. So we're going to try our put request if it's working. So this is ID, and then let's say we want to change. I'll take this out. I just want to change our last name. So all of these are not necessary for me, right? So let's say I want to change our last name to Smith. Okay, let me put Peter there. Our last name to Peter. And we click execute. Voila, as you can see, success true. Last name has been changed to Peter. So let's refresh this to confirm that this is working. Let's refresh it and get a list of all of our contacts again. It's a list of all of our contacts again. And then you can see that Mary's last name here has been changed to Peter. Good. And then the last will be delete requests. So we're going to go ahead and delete the contacts we just added. Try it out. So I'm going to paste the ID here, execute. And you can see, true. Success true. Contact updated successfully. Oh, sorry, this is not it. It's right here. Yes, there we have it. Success true. Contact deleted successfully. The informations are saved in our .env file. This is my .env file, so my MongoDB URL is saved in my .env file. Also, my MongoDB data name is saved in my .env. So as you can see, my git ignore file, my node modules is saved in my git ignore file, my .env, even my swagger attribute.json are all saved in my git ignore file. As you can see, I have my contacts folder containing the contact database, controller folder controlling the controllers, and my node folder, public folder containing my HTML scripts and style CSS, and my routes folder all here. Thank you.